this year. Shit, man, get him in, man. He is cool. He likes to smoke dope too, Alan. He wanted me to come get him some dope. He's been smoking candle wax back people up. Why do you think I'm coming here?
Candle wax.
Okay, them niggas been fucking him, man. On candle wax, baking soda, and Amerson. Why do you think I'm coming here? That's something he's got my back.
So he's down like 4 months.
Hell yeah, he's got my back. He's gonna go down there and soften Mike up right now. He's on his way to do it.
You're an evil motherfucker,
He's going to stop.
You're fucking evil.
Hell yeah, me. When they say, ain't you? You can be too. You can be too. When you want to be. He's going to soften Mike up right now. Shit, he wants to get out on a train. Yeah, you think I'm doing this shit just for me? I go to jail over there, I'm taking Gary with me, by God. He's done just as much wrong as I have.